Good morning everyone, I'm Gab Ferras po. Sabihin natin equal opportunity yung mapalanunan niya yung podium kasi nalaman natin na yung top 10 may trophy, kuminsan may mga cash prizes pa and freebies from our sponsors. But nakikita natin yung pagdaraos niya yung races cause I was there before dun sa Bridgetown na event and then nung lumipat kayo sa TLC last weekend dumalaw pa ako. Nakikita nyo ba na itong run bike racing as a good tool for all toddlers na rin na makipagsabayan sila sa mga iba't ibang mga races locally, internationally at kamusta ang self-esteem nila upang mas lalo pa silang ganaan para paglaki nila makakakuha sila ng sport na endurance na pwede sila or type nilang pasukin paglaki nila.
Speaking of self-esteem, yung anak ko personally si Kuno, sobrang mahihain niya. Like, when he started at 3 years old sa training, sumama kami sa isang training group, nakakapit lang yung kamay niya sa t-shirt ng dad niya. It's bawal bitawan, or else tantrum siya, nahihiya. Now, siya na yung isa sa tumutulong sa mga newbies or mga bagong trainees, pinakausap niya. Kaya po na-develop namin yung mantra ni Uno na strong mind, strong body, strong heart. Because one, hindi ka lagi mananalo, so you need to have a strong mind to accept that defeat. Strong body, because if you really want to win, you have to exercise. And strong heart, that's because minsan kahit na malakas katawan o malakas isip mo, natakot ka, yung katabi mo Malaysian or Indonesian. And this happened last weekend. Nakita niya, ang laki ng Indonesian. Pagsi-6 na, ang category is 5 years old. Natakot siya. So, ulit-ulit.
Taller than me.
Mas taller. Mas slim pa sila. So, kinausap mo siya, anak, your heart is bigger. You need to have that strong heart. Focus siya. Babalik niya yung ano niya. Kasi it's normal for kids. Nababasag sila naano yung self-esteem nila. Which is why constant exposure to mga ganitong klaseng pressure, sports is very important. So, I'd say now with training, support of parents, and having that good community would really help the kid become globally competitive. Kaya nakakapag-compete na sila internationally. We're getting there, which is why we wanted to promote mas maraming parents din sumali.
Paano ba nagpe-prepare yung mga bata na rin? Because for sure nga, at a very young age, sanay na sila sa training and of course, usually nagpa-practice yung mga run bike sa kahit anong mga parke o di kaya, ano ba yung training system na umiiral sa mga bata to make sure na that they are properly prepared nga for those competitions both locally and internationally?
For training po, we make sure na it's not just the body, also the mind, also the diet. Diet is a big role for the rest also. So, kami, bukod sa training kami ng body, make sure na nurture namin yung buong character ng bata na you're ready for anything. If you feel tired, if you feel like crying, that's okay, but you gotta finish the race, buddy. So you gotta pick up your bike, you gotta finish strong. So yun, mental, body, bago bike, kailangan body muna. So yung workout namin, we treat them as young adults. We don't treat them as toddlers, we don't treat them as kids, we treat them as student athlete. Pantay school, your sport, and we make sure you have enough time for playing, for socializing. So, yun, diet. Diet. Laman ng Facebook feed ko, what's the best for biomedics, o ano ba, high protein, ganito. So, ayun. Sport taking na din, kasi our community, we help each other.
Para meron kayong community page na doon pala nag-usap-usap na rin kayo.
Just like what Peter and Jay said, pandemic babies ko eh. So hindi lumalabas loob. So sila, hindi talaga maglalaro sa labas. So nakakakuha na kasi marami sa kanila na mababa yung socialization skills. Pero na-improve every time na, you need bugs to complete. So bukod doon, makagaling na naman.
Isang tanong na lang bago ko ipasa, mamaya ulit ako magtatanong. Every time na makikita natin na mag-compete yung mga run bike races na rin, laging nag-cheer, laging nagsusuporta yung bawat parents. parang pampataas yan ng moral, motivation, and every time they step into the race, kailangan ng maximum na cheering, sabihin natin, rooting for you, susuportahan kita, pero pag every time, may mga kadalasan, umiiyak pa yung bata na alam ko si Winay, naranasan, nakita ko rin yan, na umiiyak si Uno, nasilip ko rin doon sa last race doon sa Bridgetown, dahil natalo siya sa isang race Paano nating mapahalagaan nga yung binibigay na support system upang mataas pa yung moral ng ating mga athletes? Cause alam naman natin, expected talaga pag run bike racing.
I think as parents, you have to be emotionally mature and ready. Kasi you have to support that. Hindi pwede i-stop mo yung crying nila. You have to be able to really let those emotions out. And then after that, pag nakauwi or maybe settled na sila, nalabas na yung frustration, that's where you try to explore kung anong naramdaman mo, what happened. And let's say you're not on that level, you don't know how to help your kid, that's where the community steps in. Community, you ask parents, so let's say for Uno is 5 years old now, nagtatanong kami dun sa mga racer na 6, 7, and then they tell us na, oh, that's normal, ito yung ginagawa namin. Sometimes it's also a bit of trial and error because hindi mo alam kung mag-work, and then you try to figure it out kasi iba-iba yung mga bata. But I agree na more than being emotionally mature, you as parents, you have to make sure hindi mo in-spread yung sarili mo ng moving. You have to make sure that you have enough rest, if you're capable, kaya mo. So, ano siya it's a two-way process. Natuto yung bata, but the parent also natututo, how do I manage my child? Ano yung kailangan? Ano yung meron dapat ako para mabigay ko dun sa anak ko? It's not just support You, and more than the community, you also have to research. Google is free, diba? You research how do you help them become emotionally, mentally ready. So, I think that's for me.
Yung sa emotion nila, kasi hindi naman tayo natin may tuturo yung bata pa rin. Hindi natin sila pwede sabihin, huwag kang umiyak, huwag kang gumanito. Ang gagawin natin, kailangan natin sila i-lift up yung body, i-lift up natin sila na okay lang matalo, okay lang to. Ang gagawin lang natin, practice tayo. Ngayon, as a parent naman, parent coach, si Zoe, ang sabi niya lagi, okay lang matalo na. Ang kailangan mo lang, kumami ka na lang, next time, galingan mo pa. Ano kailangan mo? I'm doing practice hard. Ganun na yung mentality kasi niya ngayon. Tapos, ngayon, ako, kailangan ko magpakatatag, ginagawin ko siyang, kailangan pakiparamdam ko sa niya ng matag ako para ganun din ang gawin niya. Hindi niya kakakuha, down ako or kinakamahan ako, hindi ko rin paramdam sa kanya yun. Kasi,
madadami siya
one time, pero race kami na ganyan, sobrang kabago ako. Pati siya, walang takbong ginawa talagang parang, walang power, wala na whatsoever. Kaya sabi ko, okay.
Na-experience ko rin yung feeling dahil yung dalawang anak ko, into swimming naman sila. Pag may competition talagang, hindi mo na marunong lumangoy, pero tumatakbo ko na nakikisigaw din ako I know the feeling.
Kaya kailangan sa parents pala, kailangan sa parents para magagaling na agad na mas matatag kayo. Kailangan yung walang bata, kailangan fresh mind kayo, fresh ng bata. Hindi ko pwedeng bata lang ang prepare. Kailangan good parents, lahat prepared.
So, thank you.